Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena, and in this video I am starting my Halloween little series. So today I'm going to show you two of my favorite Halloween wreaths. So I hope you enjoy and continue watching. Alright, so all of the items for this project are from the Dollar Tree. You will need one wreath form, a cute little scarf that is the Halloween theme as well. Then I picked up 6 flower bouquets, 2 purple and 4 black ones, and all of them had like little eyeballs inside and little spiders on top of it. And I did use the whole thing with the flowers. I have a little bit of leaves left, but I did use all the flowers. So then I picked up that wooden sign that I thought would be just perfect for my wreath. And I got the lights, but I end up not using them. You're welcome to use it, but after I was done, it just didn't fit me. And of course the glue gun. Okay, so I wrapped my scarf around the wreath. I cut it in half and just keep wrapping. And as you will see, one scarf is enough for that whole wreath. But I was not going to use the scarf, and I tried one of the flowers without it, and it would just not stick to the wreath because it's kind of like it's a styrofoam. So if you use the hot glue, it kind of melts it, and the flowers want to fall off. So I decided to use the scarf so to secure the flowers so my wreath will stay in place. Okay guys, let's talk about supplies for this. So I got a Dollar Tree plain wreath form, star form or whatever. So this thing from Spider from last year. One of my decoration broke and I decided to save the legs, and luckily I will be needing them. So I have seen them already selling them. It is exactly the same one at the Dollar Tree right now, so you can just buy one if you want. Then I got a spider web. Okay, then I got this. I am not sure if I'm going to be using it, but I'm planning, so I'm going to show it to you. And main star is this thread, I guess. So I have bought this a couple of years ago because I was into knitting so much and I did not use it. So I did not buy it right now, but I could look on Amazon. If I find something close, I will link in the description box. It's supposed to be black. I think it's black, but I'm not, I think it is. So, and I will be using this what is it called, straight pin to secure my yarn, not thread, yarn, see, it comes to me, to my wreath, because I like to reuse the form later. So if I don't like it or the decoration didn't work out, which most of the time it does work out, and I don't really take it apart unless something happens to it. So I will use the pins. You can use the hot glue if you don't want to use it to secure the yarn to your wreath form. So, and for the eyeballs, I will use those 2 pom-poms, and it is a pack from Dollar Tree from last year. So I will use this too for the eyeballs. So very cute, very easy project. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I was doing, I started to wrap the yarn around my wreath, and I secured with my little straight pin. And I didn't do a lot of pins because the yarn just hold up pretty good by itself. So I did it randomly here and there, so as you could tell. After my yarn was on my wreath, as you could tell, isn't it cute? My family could not believe that was the yarn, but everything else was the hot glue gun. I hot glued the little legs, I hot glued his eyeballs, and I did use that boa, and I wrapped around it inside kind of my little wreath, but you don't have to. So, and then I just took a couple of pictures for you guys without the spider web, but I did use the spider web on my front door, and now it's sitting there, and my family just adores it. I hope you enjoyed this cute little DIY.